Okay, this is the video on the 4-point graphing method given the factored form. So right away, when you look at this quadratic equation, you'll notice that you can find the x-intercepts because it's in factored form. So you want to use the zero product property. So 2x plus 5 times x minus 4 equals 0. So I'm going to set each of those equal to 0 independently. So 2x plus 5 equals 0. Take away 5 from both sides. 2x equals negative 5 and divide by 2. So one of your x-intercepts is negative 2.5. The other x-intercept is going to be x minus 4 equals 0. I'm going to add 4 to both sides, so my x-intercept is 4 and negative 2.5. Finding the y-intercept means plugging 0 in for x. So y equals 2 times 0 plus 5 times 0 minus 4. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 5 is 5. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. So my y-intercept is negative 20. So I'm going to go over to my graph and I'm going to plot those points. So negative 2.5, we'll say it's about there. Oops, that is not the right coordinate pair. The x should always go first, and then the y value. And 4, comma 0. And then we can just do a little bit of an estimation and say that our y-intercept is going to be about there, depending on our scale. Okay, so now the vertex. We know that our vertex is going to be directly in the middle of our x-intercepts. So to find that, we can add our x-intercepts together and divide by 2. So that actually gets you 0.75. So that's the x value of my vertex. To find the y value, I plug that in as the x into my equation. So 2 times x becomes 2 times 0.75 plus 5. And the second parentheses is 0.75 minus 4. Okay, so plug that all into a calculator and you are going to get y equals negative 21.125. So my vertex is 0.75, comma, negative 21.25. And the last thing that you have to remember to do is to draw your curve in between all the points. Whoop.